Hey everybody, so I got two little packages here, so let's check it out. Okay, so we got a double pack of Sailor. I know I had ordered a couple of things, so I didn't know what was what. So we got a double pack of Sailor converters, and let's see what this is. I know I ordered some pens. All right. So I don't think this is, this is not the Sailor pen, but anyway, I got a Sailor pen coming, but it's not an expensive one. But anyway, that's that. So let's take a look at this. So I think I saw somebody, I want to say it was Seattle Pen Club, but I'm not sure. Somebody was showcasing this one, and I went straight and tried to find it because I thought it was really, really nice. And then I think this was $20, but I will try to find it and link it in the description. All right. And then there was this other pen that this person was talking about, but I could not find. A Pilot Lucina. Anyway, could not find that one. All right. So let's take a look at this one. Yes. So this I thought was just stunning. And I'm like, $20 for this? So let's take a look. So I got two different colors. This is the first one. The other one, unfortunately, said it wasn't gonna come till April, and then it said like anywhere from April the 19th through May. So hopefully eventually I will get that one. But this one must have already been in the US. All right, so let's take a look. So it's it has a little bit of weight to it, you know. I mean, you can tell that this is not like a superior product or anything like that, but it's not junk either. So let's take a look. Now this little ball, I don't know what this is supposed to imitate. I don't know if it's supposed to imitate a sailor. Now the body style to me looks like a sailor, but that ball makes me think of a pilot. So I don't know. But anyway, let's see. That is the Jinhao brand. And then can't see what's on that clip, but maybe you guys can see. And then we got something. Okay, Jinhao. Hard for me to see, but that is really pretty. I like it a lot, and it kind of has like that reflective little feature to it. Isn't that pretty? Where it catches the light. Very, very pretty. And then we got another little golden band there. And then that one is just flat, but I really like the look of it. Okay, and we'll take a look at what the nib looks like. Now, the person that I saw, I think they had something different than this one. I mean, it was it was the same kind, but their color was like totally different. I want to say it was a white one, and it was really pretty. But and then I found that one, but then I saw this one, and then I saw another one, and I was like, I'm gonna get this. So so that nib looks really, really nice. So this is a fine, And I couldn't tell whether or not it came with a converter. And it does. Very nice. And let's see. Yeah, this is a screw one. I like the screw ones better because I feel more secure that it's in there. Okay. All right, and then take a look on the inside. Very nice. You know what? This really reminds me of this other pen that I have. Let me see. And you know what? It might be a duplicate of that one. So let's take a look. See this one? That's what it's reminding me of. I don't know. What do y'all think? Y'all think it's a duplicate of that one? So this is a Mayora. But it's got pointed ends. But it looks really similar, doesn't it? And this ball has got a little wheel on it. And the band is way more intricate. But let's see. And I love this pen. This pen is so smooth writing. It is just, I love this pen. It's like one of my top 3 favorites. Like I can't tell whether or not this one is more smooth writing or the Pilot is more smooth writing. But this one, as smooth as this one is like writing on glass. So I don't know what the difference is, but anyway, I thought that I would share that with you guys. So I wonder if this is supposed to be a duplicate of this one. All right, and that is all I had to share, guys. I'm not sure if I am going to ink this one. I'm probably going to cave and do it because I'm curious to see what it writes like. And so the one that I showed you guys yesterday, if you were following me from yesterday, this yellow one, once I did ink it up, so I did a new video. I just forgot. It is a much smoother writer once you ink it. But anyway, never mind all that. That is all I had to share right now. Talk to you later. Bye.